The new Call of Duty Black Ops 6 is released, and you are right now looking how you can enable and find the settings for the FPS counter, the latency for example, and the package loss. So first you want to make sure to go to your settings tab on the top right, click on it, and now go down to interface. On interface you have three different options. You want to make sure to stay on the globals tab. Then go down to telemetry, and it's probably on default, so all off. As you want to customize this top left bar, click on custom and now click on show more. Down here you have the first option, the FPS counter, the server latency and the package loss. Down here you even have more options for GPU, CPU and your clock. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.